Things are getting amazing as we get the Galaxy A54 official poster, and we even get the rumored release date of the A54, and there is also some new updates we are going to see on the A54 cameras. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe. Samsung on their website shared the official poster of the upcoming Galaxy A54, where we see the phone in black and purple color, and there are some exclusive information that we have regarding the cameras of the Galaxy A54. The banner shows a Feature Pro grade camera, which as per rumors, we might see a single take and OIS optical image stabilization in Galaxy A54, and also Galaxy A54 will support night photography this year. Let me know in the comments, are you guys going to buy Galaxy A54? Now if you're looking for Galaxy A54, then you don't need to wait for too long. As per rumors, we might see Galaxy A54 on March 15 after 3 days, which means chances are it will be out in the market very soon. There are a couple of things you need to know before going for Galaxy A54. Yes, from front, it will look exactly like A53. It comes with 2x Dynamic AMOLED Full HD Plus 120Hz panel. On the back, the phone looks like Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus without camera bezels. The phone will power the Exynos 1380 along with the 8GB of RAM. And as per numbers, this new processor will have 4 performance cores and comes with 20% faster GPU. Also, Galaxy A54 comes with 5100 mAh battery, 100 more than the last year. The cameras are where we don't see big updates, but some features will be added along with it, where we see 50 megapixel main shooter which will support OIS, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro camera, and 32 megapixel selfie shooter. Galaxy A54 will support 4K 30fps from both front and back cameras. To be very honest, I was expecting them to put at least 4K 60fps. If you are thinking of buying A54, then the prices of A54 is out for the European market, where we see 530 to 590 euros for the 128GB version and 590 to 610 euros for the 256GB version. Now there is no 4GB version available for A54, only 6GB version and 8GB version for A54. If you guys want to see the difference between A54 versus A53, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.